Hi, I'm Ben DeSanko, standing here in front of Dakota Adventist Academy where I went to school. I graduated in 1997. Now I'm a middle school teacher in Mandan, and I enjoy serving our school on the K-12 Board of Education. I'm talking to you today about the impact that the Academy had on my life, and it was profound. The slogan is Friendships for Eternity, and that became a possibility in my life, and I would love to be able to make that a reality in our children's lives now. The relationships with staff members, other students, and even support staff here at the Academy can influence a child's life. The necessity of this school, I can't even explain. It is the hub of our activity. It's where we come together as a family. We gather and we show that younger generation what our priorities are. I want you to partner with me in telling the conference that the Academy is our priority, and we are going to work to fund it, to support it, and to fill it. Thank you so much. We here at DAA would like to show you how your recent donations are being put to use for our students, specifically in the dormitories, where renovations are being planned to use your donations from the Adopt a Room campaign. We have raised $36,000 so far in donations in the Adopt a Room campaign. I'm sitting in one of the rooms in the boys' dorm right now, and it is obvious that they need help. Each room will cost $2,000 to renovate, giving our children a wonderful space to be in. While we'd love to do as many rooms as we can, right now we have enough money to do 18 rooms, and we are thankful for that. Your donation of $2,000 will be put to great use. New flooring, paint on the walls, and even refurbishing the furniture are some of the plans that we have. It is important for our students to have a space that they are comfortable in, that they can do their job of being a good student and working on those relationships with their friends, their staff, and especially with Jesus.
I'm Isaac. I'm a senior at DAA. This is my third year living in the dorm, and my favorite part about school is living in the dorm. It creates a good bond between everybody that goes to school because you live with them, you learn their habits, you learn what upsets them, you learn what makes them happy, and you learn how to deal with other people. Although dorm life has its benefits, there are definitely some things I would change. While I may have one of the nicer rooms, a lot of the rooms here have holes in the walls, and the ceilings look like they're falling apart. There's cracks in the walls, which is bad for insulation and will eventually cost more money for heating in the long run. The floors definitely need to be changed. There's stains and burns and holes, and all around they just need to be renovated. With new dorms, I think that we can bring in more students because it will be more pleasing to the eye if somebody can stay in somewhere that's pleasing. With your help, we can renovate the rooms to attract more students and help them have a great time at DAA.
The work is ongoing and the renovations continue here at DAA. We have extended the deadline because many people have asked if they can still partner with us in this exciting project. The answer is yes. For $2,000, you can renovate a dorm room and then name that room after yourself, your family, or a church. We have a beautiful campus here at Dakota Adventist Academy with children learning about God, learning about life, and growing together. We'd ask that you help us to keep that alive. God bless you.